Everybody, so here we are doing card number 4 of the birthday card kit. The reason why I do this, I'm not sure I mentioned this in the other videos, is to make sure that the embellishments that I'm creating are not too big. And then I also design it to see, like, how is it going to look this way? It's very helpful. Now, in the process of showing this to you, and Cricut Design Space is glitching, so I'm just going to show you the card the way it is, and then I'll go over to the craft table. I just created the 4¼ by 5½ card base. Found these really cute butterflies, and then I did a little banner that says "Have a beautiful day." So let's go on over to the craft table and we'll put it together. Okay, let's put this card together. So again, Petite Floral from Recollections. And all of my pieces. I'm going to use orange card base. I like to mix it up a little bit, you know. Get out my little scoreboard here. Make it flush all the way up at the top and all the way to the side. And score it at the A2 size, which is 4¼ Okay, then just make sure that it's still straight, because sometimes things move around. Okay, and we'll put this, you know what, I'm going to do the butterflies first. We want them to start drying. And I switched it up a little bit because I don't know if it was my mat, probably. It wasn't sticky enough. But the original butterfly that I intended to do was not cutting out properly, and I tried it like 3 times on different types of paper. So I went ahead and I cut out a solid black and a solid orange chevron looking paper. All right, so first I want to get my pop dot, and I'm going to put it right there. And again, you know, we want it to dry. Now I'm going to take these antennas and take them off. I probably should have been using scissors, so that the black part, hold on, I got sticky glue, the black antennas show. Now I want it to pop up. Now I don't need to mess with it too much. It will dry. Okay, very good. Now the next one. Grab this and take those antennas off. I'm actually very excited about these card kits. You know, a lot of times if you make things and sell them, it's sometimes can be disappointing because people just don't appreciate it as much as you do. I don't know if that's the right word. But the one thing I think about is, you know, I had a lot of fun doing this. If it doesn't sell, it doesn't sell, but I really had a lot of fun doing this. And if it comes down to it, just keep it as a gift, and you can gift it to somebody. I mean, that's kind of a sweet thing to do too. Okay, that's drying. Oh, I don't want to take that off yet. And come down here, grab those antennas. Let's flip that around. I think I'm going to put it on here. This might be easier. And whoops, almost the wrong way. I'll put that down there. Okay, I'm just going to let that sit there and dry while we put the rest of the card together. I have some really cute ideas for these card kits. It's going to go right on top. Just kind of pushing it to the edge to make sure that it's all lined up. Then I'm going to put adhesive dots on that. And I will put bigger ones on this time. So I've heard people call them adhesive dots, pop dots. What else have I heard them call? Take this off. Foam adhesive, that was the other one. Just want to make sure I'm putting this on correctly. Yep. We'll bring that right there. And drop this down. Oh, looks good. Okay. Let's grab our butterfly. I don't think they're quite dry, so I have to be very careful. As a matter of fact, I know they're not. I'm going to grab the black part and just peel the sticky part off from there. Put that one there. And then same with this, grab the black part. And put him right there, or her, whatever you want it to be. Try to pop that up a little bit. Now, once it gets in the envelope, it's going to get smushy, but for this video, you can see that it's dimensional. And that's going to go right there. Now I'm still deciding what I want to put in the middle. So that's a thought process. Okay, that's better. That's the very fourth card. I'm so excited. Oh, I know what I wanted to show you guys. So this is how it's going to work. This is the box. I got these from Amazon. It's a 5x7. I'm going to put all the cards, each one of them. Oh, that noise, sorry, into one of these bags, because if I don't, then all the embellishments will fall out. Oh, but there's more. I got this off of Amazon too. So I'm going to pick a dry card instead of trying to put the butterfly one in there right now. We need the envelope. All right, let's do over here for a second. All right, so I'm going to take the card that has to be put together, not the one that's already together. For example, this one. And I'm going to take a really cute belly band, like this. This one may be a little bit too long, maybe not. And I want to use score tape. I don't want to use glue because it'll most likely stick onto the card. Just tear up a little piece and put it right there. And then kind of push this down, make sure it's even. That looks good. And then I will, it goes like this, put it in this bag. And I most likely will put like a little heart or some kind of sticker there. And then that's how they're going to go. I have this tissue paper. Isn't it adorable? It's butterfly tissue paper. And there you have your card kit. All four of them will be in here. I just wanted to show you that one to show you how it works. And then I have some really pretty white silk ribbon that I'm going to tie a bow and put it on here as well. We're done. Thank you guys so much for coming along and seeing all the four cards and enjoying this with me, I hope. And if you have any questions or comments, please do so in the comment section. And I think that's it. Have a great evening.